Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can summarize channel information using Kroolo AI. Here's the channel section. First of all, let's open a channel. To summarize this channel using AI, simply click on Ask AI at the top. Here you will see some suggestions. You can pick any of these suggestions, or you can type your own questions here. Let's say we need a summary of this channel. We'll simply type our request and click Send. And here's a summary of our channel. If you want to export this information, click on Export. You also have the option to like, dislike, and copy the information from here. If you have any further questions, you can ask them here. Once done, you can close this pop-up. And that's how you can get a summary of a channel using AI. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.